Understanding Eid Wishes in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be exploring a very special set of phrases used around the world, Eid Wishes. Whether you're learning English or just curious about cultural expressions, this video is for you. We'll break down the meaning, use, and significance of Eid wishes so you can use them confidently in your conversations. Eid wishes are greetings and prayers exchanged between Muslims during their festive celebrations, namely Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. These phrases carry the essence of joy, peace, and goodwill. Eid is not just a time for celebration but also a season of generosity and gratitude. Eid wishes encapsulate all these emotions and virtues in simple but profound messages. To truly understand Eid wishes, one must grasp the importance of Eid. Eid al-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, while Eid al-Adha commemorates the willingness of Abraham, to sacrifice his son in obedience to God. Eid is a time for community, reflection, and charity, and these values are reflected in the wishes exchanged. During Eid, you'll hear phrases like Eid Mubarak, which means Blessed Eid, and it's used the way Christians might say, Merry Christmas. Another is, May Allah accept from us and you, which expresses a mutual desire for acceptance of worship and good deeds done during Ramadan or the Hajj pilgrimage before Eid al-Adha. When you want to give someone Eid wishes, you can simply say, Eid Mubarak to you and your family, or, wishing you all the joy and blessings this Eid. You can also say, I hope this Eid brings you peace and prosperity. These phrases are not just well wishes. They're a bridge to connect with Muslim friends and colleagues by respecting their culture and participation in their joy. That's all for our video on Eid wishes. I hope you now understand the beautiful tradition behind these phrases and feel ready to share them with others. Eid is a time of joy and celebration, and using the right words can deepen your connections with those who celebrate it. Thank you for watching, and we wish you an educational and inspiring experience as you continue to explore the richness of the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about cultural understanding. Till our next video, keep learning and stay curious.